Hi, I am Ebenezer Anifoshe, the founder and CEO of Healthkit Nigeria, and also the creator and publisher of the Life Champ Health and Fitness board game, Nigeria's first health and nutrition themed board game, and arguably Africa's first health and nutrition board game. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Life Champ board game, or rather an unzipping of the Life Champ board game. So, are you curious to know what's inside? Let's do this. Here you go. You have a ziplock. So it's a ziplock. So just split it apart from the top and it opens. It's really sealable. So that makes it very convenient and easy to use. So, meanwhile, let me show you what the back looks like. So it's transparent. You can see the contents. There's a skipping rope, ball, and then every other part of it. So let's just go right in and see what's inside. The instruction manual. So there's an instruction manual inside. It's 8 pages. 8 pages. It contains everything you need to know about how to play the game. So there's no need to worry about not knowing how to play. Then there's the skipping rope. So the skipping rope is for some exercises in the game and also for some other indoor activities, indoor and outdoor activities. Softball, it's an happy ball. It's soft, good for throwing and catching. So there's a game inside, like a bonus game in the Life Champ board game, where you're going to use the ball. We have the spinner. The spinner. So what this is an element of the game. The spinner. So basically, you spin, and then it tells you. Gives you a number and then the foot. The number tells you what to count, the foot tells you where to answer a question from. Now the spinner. This is the game mat, where the actual play takes place. Alright, so it's either you have a mat or you have a board. So for convenience, for easy packaging, we are using the mat. So we have the game mat and then the game board is right on it. So you just put that on the table on a flat surface and you're good to go. Here we have the exercise sheet. So this chart contains 18 different exercises that you can do. So interestingly, you just have this chart as part of your daily exercise routine. Gyms can use it, exercise studios can use it. So 18 different exercises. Now how to do those exercises, they are all explained in this chart with pictures and step-by-step guide on how to do them effectively. We have the exercise charts. Now the exercise chart tells you which exercise to carry out. Alright, so when you play the game, you just know which of the exercises you are going to do per time. So there's a yellow coded section, the blue, and then the red. So it tallies with the game board. There's a yellow section, the blue section, and then the red section. And then there are numbers 1 to 6 in each section. So the number you throw on the dice or on the spinner tells you which number to answer from. And then there are age ranges. So in case 6 to 9 year olds are playing, 10 to 14 year old and 15 year plus. So you can do the exercise that has been assigned to your age range and then to the stage you are on the game. And this is because light intensity exercises are stage 1, moderate intensity are stage 2, and high intensity exercises are stage 3. So this game has been well thought out, and the fact that you need to warm up before you begin exercise have been incorporated into the game. So stage 1 games, which you do at the beginning, are basically warm up exercises. So you have the exercise charts. Quiz card tray. So the quiz card tray is a tray where you arrange your quiz cards on. So you'll be seeing the quiz cards next. So you arrange the quiz cards on the quiz card tray. So it contains numbers 1 to 6 and 6 different fruits. If you notice, these tallies we will have on the spinner. So the fruits you have on the quiz card tray are the fruits on the spinner. Alright, so when you roll or you spin, the fruits that you end up pointing at tells you where to pick a question from. So you have questions in each of these boxes. So we have a quiz card, safety and hygiene. Safety and hygiene, it's in its pack. 40 questions on safety and hygiene. Then we have food and nutrition. 40 questions on food and nutrition. And also we have exercise and lifestyle. 40 questions on exercise and lifestyle. And next we have the action cards. And the action cards are 30 in number. So they tell which action you need to take every time you roll the dice or every time you spin the spinner. Joker cards. We have 15 of them. So you earn the Joker cards when you submit a token. So that's how you earn Joker cards. Joker cards help you get out of trouble. There are 15 of them. And lastly, we have this pack which contains a number of other things. You have the dice. This is a custom dice. There are 2 dice. We have 2 of them. So let's show the second, the number dice and the custom dice. Game parts. You have players. So 8 of them. So 8 people can play this game. Between 2 to 8. So there are 8 of this. So for each player, the playing piece. And you have the tokens. So you earn a token every time you do an exercise. So every time you go to the exercise class, you earn a token. And you can exchange your token later on for a Joker card. And lastly, we have the whistle. So the whistle will be in the possession of the game coach. So either one of the players is assigned as a coach, or a teacher or a parent is a coach. And you use the whistle every time a player crosses an exercise square. The leading player crosses an exercise square, and you blow, it's exercise time. So at that point, everybody goes to the exercise class to participate in the exercise. Here you go. That's the Life Champ board game unboxed.